Welcome and thank you for joining me, Miss Trott, once again for Math and Science for Young Children. In each of our sessions, we will be reviewing math, science, and early childhood topics. Our goals for this session are to understand the value of constructivist learning in the context of making mixtures, having a direct experience with transforming substances and observing the results of their own actions. Make sure you download the note sheet to go along with this video and stick around as we learn more about science and math for young children. Cooking is one of the most popular and satisfying activities conducted in a constructivist classroom. It appeals to children's interests, invites experimentation, and fosters cooperation among children. It also teaches children independent living skills and provides opportunities to integrate math, science, literacy, social studies, and meaningful activities that children find interesting and challenging. And it fosters autonomy by allowing children to prepare and eat foods in the classroom. The same principles of a constructivist cooking can be more broadly applied to making mixtures of all kinds, not just the edible ones. Some of these include that chemistry for young children is about exploring the properties of different substances and experimenting to see how they change. Children discover that combining substances can produce a new substance with different properties, and these changes are referred to as transformations. The focus of making mixtures is making observations, comparing materials, using descriptive vocabulary, generating hypotheses, cause and effect, predicting, drawing conclusions, and sharing results with others. These are all early chemistry. You will be making mixtures, not with a recipe, but through experimentation. And this is going to create an environment for self-direction where you get to make your own choices, and that decision is empowering. It gives children a place in the role of experimenter and scientist and encourages children to develop their own questions, test out their reasoning, encounter contradictions, and revise their ideas to construct new knowledge. Children will get different results than their peers, and this creates a rich discussion about what might account for these differences. In this session, you will be using physical science in making mixtures. You're going to be choosing between a few different types of mixtures to make: flour and oil, shaving cream and cornstarch, making oblek, inventing your own Play-Doh, or making clean mud. After making your mixture, I want you to be able to answer the following things. What did you not like about the mixture? Or what did you like about the mixture? How would you organize and facilitate this activity for young children and encourage their curiosity and scientific learning? What advice do you have about how to set up the materials to make the most appropriate for young children in both sense of safety and easy to share? And also, what other tips might you have for ideas and variations for how you're doing this activity with other children in different age groups and settings? That wraps us up for this episode. Please make sure you go online to your course and review all of the content that is also presented there. And if you need help, please reach out to me or your instructor. We are here to help. Have fun learning, and see you next time.